This is the piece with great writing and great voice, and it feels so fresh. It feels like this is the author with potential.
That was by far the one that I thought combined both story and style.
It has a really fresh voice. I feel like it's relatable.
I thought it was a really good blend of, the commercial and the literary in terms of story versus craft.
I'm going to say that all of them are in fact writers, but we are about to help someone become an author. I think we have it. It's number 2. Okay, there's just one question left that I have to ask you.
Okay.
How does it feel to be the winner of the next big story?
Oh my God, really? Well, Louisa feels pretty great. Okay, sorry, instantly crying. Oh, am I hallucinating? I'm not hallucinating, right? This is...
Huge congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
My darling, we're going to be sending you $100,000 to start a new chapter of your life as an author.
I am amazed and so grateful, and I will not let you down. I'm so ready to bring this book to life.
The